Good evening, friends. Pixie Medico Legal Lecture Series comes on first Friday of every month with different topic, with new topic. Today, Pixie Medico Legal Lectures series come with non-therapeutic subjects, the most emerging medico legal issues nowadays, and that is trademark, a brand, and reputation of a clinic or hospitals. Let me begin with a very uncomfortable question today. What if one day someone suddenly asks you to wind up your hospitals? Not because of medical negligence, not because of any consumer complaint, not because of NABH compliance, but simply because of your hospital name. Listen carefully, because of your hospital name. So, what is there in name? Now, before you dismiss this as something that may never happen again, let us ask ourselves a few important questions. What exactly is a trademark in healthcare sector? A trademark is the legal protection given to the identity through which your patients recognize your service in the market. And that identity may be your hospital name, clinic name, diagnostic center name, logo, tagline, department names, the heart department, spine center, neuro center, etc., etc. Or even your online consultation platform also. So trademark gives the legal identity as well the legal protection to your healthcare sector's name in the different areas. The next question that arises is, what is the difference between TM and R? You may observe in so many signboards, you see a circle above the company name, and inside the circle there is a TM or R is written, means TM. TM means simply indicates that you have applied for the trademark registration and your application is pending. Whereas R written inside the circle indicates that your trademark is officially registered under the Trademark Act. And now you can enjoy your statutory ownerships over the brand. After the registration, you become the legal owner of your hospital name in relation to the healthcare services across the India. However, if your hospital name is not registered, it remains legally vulnerable. This means someone else may apply for and obtain registration over the same or a deceptively similar name. And once they obtain registration, they may issue a legal notice alleging trademark infringement. If such dispute escalates, the registered proprietor may approach the court and seek an injunction order against you. And what is an injunction? Injunction is a court order restraining you from the continuing the use of hospital name, which effectively means that you may be legally prohibited from using your own identity in healthcare market. Now imagine the situation. You are running a hospital or clinic or diagnostic center or institute for so many years, 10 years, 12 years, 15 years. Your prescription pads carry your hospital name, your lab reports carry your hospital name, your name, logo there, your pharmacy license reflects the name, your website and Google listings are based on that name, and your patient recognize you by that identity only. And suddenly you receive a legal notice stating that you are infringing someone else's registered trademark and must stop using the hospital name within stipulated days. So this may be a scenario. So at this stage, most of the doctors say same thing. This is my hospital, I started it first. Unfortunately, law does not function on who started using a name first. It functions on who registered it first. Law protects the person who registered the trademark, not the one who started using the first. So, law always protects person who registered the trademark, not the who started the first. We have to fight a long legal battle to get your trademark, your logo. In such circumstances, you may be forced to rebrand your hospital. Now you imagine the cost of restarting or rebranding your hospital identity. It means you are changing the signage, changing your stationery, modifying your website, updating your digital presence, informing your insurance companies, updating registration, and explain to your patient why the name that you trusted for years has suddenly changed. The financial costs involved in this process run into lakhs, allowing the loss of years of goodwill and patient years. When compared to this, the cost of filing a trademark application is negligible. Years of hard work, your reputation, your goodwill, and the trust you have built among your patient can simply vanish in a matter of days due to negligence or unawares toward the brand protection. As doctors, they treat the human life every day, but every hospital also has the another lives. That is its legal identity, its reputation, its goodwill. Your name is also a property, intellectual property. Your hospital name is also intellectual property. Your logo, hospital logo, doctor logo is also intellectual property. And like any other property, it requires legal protection. You protect the life of patients every day, but is your hospital identity legally protected? Because if hospital is not trademark registered, it may not legally belong to you. Now, how I will briefly highlight the serious consequences of not protecting your hospital or clinic name by registering a trademark. If you continue to use an unregistered or infringing name, registered proprietor may obtain an injunction order from the court restraining you from using your hospital or clinic name with immediate effect. You may be legally compelled to remove your hospital signage, prescription pad, lab report, website, all digital service carrying the infringing name. Further, you may be directed to immediately discontinue use of such name in the professional practice. In addition to this, you may be held liable to penalty, monetary damages, and litigation costs to the registered trademark owners. There is also a possibility of criminal liability also, which may exceed imprisonment for a particular time also, or the court may fine a monetary fine also that may extend up to 2 lakhs also. Enforcement authority may initiate search or seizing procedure, and failure to comply with the court action may lead to contempt of court proceeding. Therefore, timely trademark registration is not merely a legal formality but an essential safeguard for the identity and goodwill of your medical establishment. Now, another word is copyright. What we discussed is the trademark. Trademark is an official trademark name, logo that protects your hospital or brand. Another is the copyright. In today's area, hospitals are using increasingly website, social media platform, brochure, online advertisements for awareness and promotional purposes. However, while doing so, we must exercise utmost caution using images and creative content sourced from the internet. It has recently come to the notice that several reputed hospitals have received the legal notice for the unauthorized use of image downloaded from the Google or other online platform without obtaining proper license or permission. In many such cases, copyright owner may have demanded compensation ranging from 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per image, forcing hospital to pay huge settlement amount in order to avoid civil or criminal litigation. Under the provision of Copyright Act, unauthorized use of copyright images for hospital websites, advertisements, social media may amount to copyright infringement, attracting civil liability in the form of injunction and monetary damages. Criminal liability also arises in such cases, including imprisonment or fine up to the 50,000 or up to the 2 lakhs also. Even if such use is made in the unknowingly, it does not absolve the injunction from the legal consequences. While licenses even from authorized sources may cost 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, apart from that big monetary damages. So, unauthorized use of random internet images may ultimately result in penalty running into a several lakhs per image. Therefore, all departments are advised to use only licensed stock images or original photographs and avoid downloading random images from the internet. Prevention through compliance is always safer than the settlement through the litigation. Now, what to do when you get the notice? First, be calm and keep patience. Recently, so many hospitals get the notice for violation of trademark and copyright images. And upon getting the notice, they become very panicked. So, don't be panicked. Let the lawyer do their work step by step. So, before ending these sessions, take home following messages. First, hospital name is your intellectual property. Hospital name, clinic name, logo, etc. is your intellectual properties. Like registration of property is required to be honor of hospital property legally. Likewise, trademark registration is required to be honor of your hospital name. Second, never download random pictures from internet and always use licensed images by paying statutory fees to avoid the image infringement notice. Third, don't bargain directly with your owner. Be calm, keep patience, let the advocate do their work. So, this is today for the trademark and copyright for healthcare professionals. Thanks for listening me on this current most vulnerable issues about the trademark and copyright images. You can listen other medical legal issues on our channel, Pixie Medical Legal. Next month we'll come with a new topic. Then good night. Till then, good night. Thanks.